Wow. It's snowing, ladies and gentlemen. It's snowing. This is exactly how I woke up. Snow on the ground. I have snow all over me. This is gonna be bad. This is gonna be bad. Very bad. So I don't know how I'm gonna say this, but let's just get the video started. So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. So I don't know how to say this to you, but we're gonna be driving a Hellcat Redeye in this snowstorm. We have to go see my friend. My friend owns a shop. We're gonna go and take my car to his shop, and the reason why I'm doing this in snow is, number one, I gotta get this done ASAP, okay? Number two, it'll be a cool video. So, you know, I'm not the one to really baby my cars. Obviously, I care for the car, but we gotta get it somewhere, okay? And there's no way I'm gonna put it on the trailer because the trailer's already covered in snow. So, the camera was foul. So the only way to take it is actually drive the car. It's gonna be a bad idea, I feel, because we are on slicks. It's snowing outside. So and then you're in a really fast car. So I don't know what's gonna happen. Hopefully we make it there in one piece, because it wouldn't be a good vlog if we didn't. So now let's turn on the car and get going. We got the keys right here. Here are the Redeye keys. Let's turn the Redeye on. Alright, let's get in here. Took the mats out, obviously. Put this little paper bag from Lowe's. We are back in the Redeye, ladies and gentlemen. It is about 39 degrees. No, there's no way this is real. It's not 39 degrees out, but it's a little colder than that. But anyways, now let's get going. So we're finally at the garage, and you know, it's snowing right now, so the snow is hitting the car. I don't know how good of an idea this is, but we are gonna do it. And I know a lot of people are mad right now that I'm driving my car in the snow, but it'll be okay. I promise you guys. It'll be just fine. I hope so. So this is by far absolute the worst idea ever. The car can't stay in a straight line. It is absolutely the worst idea I've ever came up with. Okay, and the car I mean, I'm going 20 miles per hour and it can't stay straight. So I just want to show you guys the outside right now of what is going on with the car. It literally is, yeah, snowed in. This is how bad it is out today. Yeah, we're doing it, guys. We're doing this. We are doing it. So now let's go. Oh my god. Let's put this, actually, you know what we should do? Let's put it in track mode. Turn. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys have no idea how stupid we look right now. And yeah, I'm gonna just put it back in. I'm just gonna put it back in eco mode just so we can make it to the shop. I did not realize it was gonna be this bad, but it's fun. It's fun. Why not? So we're on a main road right now, and it's a little better. I mean, we're slipping a tiny bit. Oh my god. This is crazy. Whoa. You see, the car keeps slipping, you know, even on the main road where there isn't as much ice. And also my tire PSI is also on 19 PSI, so forgot to really put them up. But yeah, it's gonna be a ton of fun, honestly. This is different. I've never done anything like this. Never driven any of my cars in the snow, and we're doing this in a $90,000 car. How great is this? But it's okay, because it's gonna be a good video. So I almost just lost control and the car went into the other lane. Like, it just like skid a little bit. So I think there's a little bit of black ice out because it rained last night and then the snow came. So overall, not a good idea to really be doing this. You know, it's just a terrible idea. The more I'm driving, the more I'm thinking, Ron, you should have just stayed your ass home. But the main reason I did this because I need to get this car to the shop. So, you know, I'm just running out on time. So maybe this could have waited until tomorrow when it wasn't snowing. But you know me, I gotta try things new, and I gotta just do things that most people wouldn't do. So it's getting even worse now. The snow keeps going, cars are blowing past you, people are texting me. It's just there's so much going on right now. But we are about 4 minutes away, which is good. We're getting closer. Everybody's looking at me like, yo, what's wrong with this guy? Why is he driving this car in the snow? Alright guys, so why don't we drift? Okay, I guess when you want to slip, it won't happen, but when you're just driving normally, it happens. Ah, I missed my entrance. Oh my god, how am I gonna possibly turn around here? Okay, these parking lots are filled with snow like crazy. Let's see if I can pull in here. Okay, this is gonna be a bad idea. I know it is. I know it is. Because there might not be a turnaround here. So we almost got stuck in this parking lot. I do apologize for the seatbelt thing. Our shop is right there. So we're gonna get out now and try to make it there. Woo! So I think we're stuck right now. Alright, we're gonna use the Hellcat power. Put it in track mode so we can get it there. Here's the shop here. There's a lot of snow, so let's try to get in here. Alright, we made it. Woo! Finally! We made it, baby. We made it. I'm gonna park right here. Oh. Let me show you guys the aftermath of this. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. Look what I have done. I have destroyed this Redeye. Dude, I f***ed this thing up.
Dog, you crazy as fuck.
Bro, with the slicks, it was a mess to come here. Oh my god, guys. So after wiping out like 4 times, we finally made it to the shop. Alright guys, so we're about to pull the car in, and look at yours. I mean, has this thing ever moved? So we have another Hellcat here, which is completely covered in snow. I don't think it gets driven, but look at the rear wheel. Oh my god, look at that. It was spinning like that the whole time. Oh my god. Here it is, guys. It's covered in snow. Was that fun? I had to do that for like 10 miles. Oh my. Alright, it's time to leave. We're gonna go in the Jeep now and make the drive back home. So we're gonna put this in snow mode. And yeah, a lot better than the Redeye to drive. So this is made for the snow. So now we're gonna drive all the way back home. And the weather's only getting worse. I mean, look at that. You can see it more now because this car's not tinted, but we're gonna be able to actually drive and get home safe. So I have another stupid idea. Okay, this might be not as stupid as me driving my Redeye in the snow on slicks. That was a really stupid idea. But I feel like, can this Jeep do donuts? So we're gonna go to an empty lot and try to do donuts in the snow. So it's all-wheel drive. I think we're gonna turn traction completely off. We're gonna put it in sport mode. and we're gonna see if this Jeep can really get down and, you know, do some donuts with. So we have an empty lot here. Oh my god, these speed bumps, can't even see them. So we have an empty lot here, and you know what this means, right? That's enough. Let me show you guys what we just did. We have completely destroyed this parking lot, and the Jeep is completely destroyed, and that was a lot of fun. We just did that in an all-wheel drive car, and I'm over here destroying my Yeezys. Look at that. Look at the wheels. You guys gotta check this out. Look at the wheels. They look a lot better that way. Look at all the snow in there. Oh man. So we have completely destroyed the whole Jeep. I mean, look at the front. Look at that. It's all ice and snow, and you can't even see the Jeep. Oh, it's yeah. Alright, you can see the Jeep now. This is, I think this is all yeah, it's all ice. So let me show you guys around back. Wow. Well, the back looks fine, but look what we just did. We just created a whole mess in this lot. Hopefully nobody calls the cops, because there are some people over there. Hopefully they don't call cops. But guys, I'm like a little kid. So literally imagine being a little kid going out, except now you have bigger toys to play with, and you're putting them all over YouTube. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just having so much fun. I don't know what else I could do, because it's snowing and I'm not gonna be here for much longer. I'm gonna be out to LA, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna probably do some launches maybe in the snow. So yeah, let's do some launches with the Jeep in the snow. All right, so let's get this going. Oh god, oh, we're about to hit the tree. All right, let's turn back around. Let's try this again. We're gonna use the same track. Well, let's go this way. All right, let's try this again. All right. Let's get out. All right, let's pick up my camera. The camera's all wet. I've completely destroyed this camera. Oh man, let's turn this off. So this is the camera that was capturing all that. But as you can see, we have destroyed this whole lot. And yeah, this Jeep destroyed this lot. We had a lot of fun with it. We had a lot of fun with the Jeep. I just made this entire mess. All this. I honestly feel like a little kid. But now, let's get back in the Jeep. Alright, so we are back. We're back at the house. Oh my god, my RAM. My RAM is, let's get this inverted. Turn this off. My RAM is literally covered in snow. I'm not ready for this weather. The Jeep is back. We got the Mustang back in here. Oh, destroyed the Yeezys. It's all good. The Mustang has yet to see snow. I don't think this car has ever seen snow. Could you guys imagine if I was to take this out on the road with the slicks in the back and the skinnies? Okay, now this I would definitely not take on the road with, you know, in this weather. The reason is because the skinnies is basically like a death wish. Okay, so I took it out one time. Well, I didn't take it out, I just got caught in the rain, and these skinnies almost killed me from like 10 miles per hour. So could you guys imagine if I was to take it the way it is like right now? in the snow. I don't think it'd be a good idea. I think it would be the worst idea I could possibly do. I think it would crash right away. I don't think it would even last long, just because those skinnies, they're just not meant for the snow. But we had a good fun time and a fun vlog in the snow, and we almost died, but we made it safe. But now I'm gonna let you guys go. So if you guys like today's video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with the videos, and be part of the family. And now it's time to let you guys go. Peace out and have an awesome day. Woo!